Hi, welcome back to JLove's Toy Review. Today we're going to review a large drawing board. Where's JLove? There she is. Say hey, JLove, welcome back. So this is similar to the old Etch a Sketch. Some of the children may not remember that, but the parents do. It was a small drawing board. It was red and you had to shake it in order for it to disappear, but we are in 2021. This is the new and improved Etch a Sketch, the large drawing board. Ain't that right, Jayla? So we're going to unbox this today, but we're going to give you some information about it first. All right, Jayla, you can display that while I give some quick information about this. The product dimensions is 16.6 by 13 and 1.5 inches. It's really light, right? Do you want to pick it up? You want to hold it, Jay? You want to hold it? Yes, no? All right. So it's about 1.5 pounds, and it's recommended for 3 years and up. Now, Jayla just turned 2, but she can handle this bad boy, and I think your child can too if they're at least 2 years and up. I think they at least need to be 2. But Jayla picked up on this pretty quickly. I think she'll like it. So we're going to open this up. It does come in different colors. I do want to mention that before I go ahead and unbox this. It can come in purple or blue. Those are the two options you have, blue or purple. When we ordered this, they only had the blue available, so Jayla got blue, but hey, she is going to love it regardless. So let's open it. Let's open this thing here. I'm gonna have to tear it open. Let me try this side instead. Here we go. All right, here's the board. Easy packaging. No assembly necessary. Okay, so let's look over this thing before we get into it. We have a blue board here. Yes. You like it, Jay? Yeah, you like it? All right, it's very colorful. We got to make sure we talk about the size, guys. It's totally different from the previous Etch a Sketch. It's really big, a large board, which encourages child development, and they can draw many pictures on here. It comes with 4 vivid colors in 8 different segments. So as you can see, as Jayla's drawing here, it has different colors. So there are 4 different colors that will display as she draws. Those colors are red, blue, yellow, and green. So that it brings the kids to attention because you know kids love colors. As you notice here on the left side, we have different geometrical shapes. We have a red circle, and these are magnets, by the way, so it's not hard. She can't lose them because they stick. They stick. It's a very smart design by putting magnets there. So Jayla has the yellow triangle, and we also have a blue square here. So 3 geometrical shapes. I call this the flower, the green flower. It's not a specific shape there, so that's what we're going to call that today. And she'll be able to use those shapes on this board here and make different pictures with that. So this board definitely encourages child development and imagination, allowing them to draw and color and do whatever their mind allows them to do. It's very safe. You do got to be careful with the pieces. Make sure that the kids don't put this in their mouth. Safety hazard, you want to make sure of that. But other than that, it's pretty simple. As you can see, Jayla has a stylus that comes with a long string attached to it, which is good because some kids are left-handed, and that way they can switch hands and it'll make it easy for them to draw no matter what hand they use. Down here is how the kids will erase. You just slide it across as such, back and forth, so you could erase either side. It doesn't matter, as long as you slide it to erase, and it'll go really quickly. This saves a lot of money. No construction paper, no regular paper. You get this and they can just continue to draw over and over again. Really good for traveling as well. If you're in a car for a long trip, this will keep the kids' attention for quite some time. So this is the way to go right here. It's really hard plastic. Pretty good quality here. I don't think she'll be able to break it. So it's not cheap product, very hard plastic, really good there. Also, it comes with this handle, as you can see, with the hand grips. Good for the kids to carry it around. Very sturdy there. again, long string, and it has a placement for that too right here. All right. You want to take this out, JLove? And it does get stuck, but as you can see, she can, it fits in there pretty snug, but she can pull that out. It's not going to be difficult for your children. As you can see, Jayla is sliding that bad boy over, so she already knows what to do. So we're going to turn this around so she can go ahead and draw. All right, Jay, you want to draw? Yeah, what is that? A. A, okay. This will be a good tool if you're trying to teach your kids the ABCs. It's a good way for them to draw. And Jayla and I, from here on forward, will be practicing our ABCs on this board. And as you can see, as we're writing, yeah, ABC. You can see the colors are changing. I want to display the magnets. You want to help me? So as you can see, you can place the magnets down on the board, and it will display the different shapes so the kids can get creative with that. And as you can see, it turns the different colors. Thank you. So we filled this up. So let's see if Jayla is going to erase this herself, so that way you guys can really see if the kids will get it. So I'm going to fill this up for her where she can't draw anymore, and I want you to see that a 2-year-old can do this. You do not have to be 3 to have this. Jayla, why don't you go ahead and erase for me? There's no way for you to do it. You want to erase? You want to erase? You want to erase it? Go ahead. Jayla said, not today. Not today. Come on, you want to erase? Of course she would not do it today, but that's okay. Super easy to do. And then there you go. She gets to start all over again. Again, this is a money saver. All right, so we can build a house. What do you want to build today? Here she goes. Again, you just let your imagination go. The kids are going to absolutely love this. Absolutely. If you have a child that loves to draw, this is the perfect thing. It's mess free. Let's point that out, parents. It's mess free. They can sit up on the table or on the floor. You don't have to worry about a mess. You don't have to worry about crayons or anything. That's the best thing. The old Etch a Sketch was just purely black. These have the colors. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to erase? There she goes. See? She knows how to erase. Again, it's really good. Do not mind the box where it says 3 years and older. Jayla just turned 2 and she got it packed down. All right. So again, this is the product we are reviewing today. Large drawing board. You can get this at multiple places. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at Walmart. It's sold in many stores, so you can definitely find this. Right, Jayla? Here's the purple one. As you can see, if you wanted to know what the purple color looks like, that's what the purple version looks like. Okay. All right. What are you drawing, Jayla? You want to say hi to your audience? Yeah. Say Jayla just had some milk and got milk all over her face. Let's say that doesn't matter, does it? This is a really good time for you to sit down with your kids, turn off the TV. You guys know that we're a huge fan of that and child development. Sit down with your children and play with them and help them expand their imagination, teaching them their shapes and their different colors. What color is this, Jayla?
Red.
Red, you see? So this is a good opportunity to use the different shapes and colors to teach them as they go along and grow and develop. And Jayla is learning her colors and perfecting that, and she just loves to draw. She used to tear up our work papers all the time, and this was the perfect product to buy, and I think any parent or child will love it. And I think Jayla would agree. All right, so that is our review for today. Again, get yourself a large drawing board. Before we go, I do want to point out one last thing. It does have the ABCs on here as well. So that way you can see that and help the kids with that. So we're going to write our final thing here. J Loves Toys Review. So that